Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Zorian, your cozy place where we talk about real life in simple English. I'm Zorian,
And I'm Sophia.
and before we start today, I need to ask you something very important,
Why do I feel like this is about to be personal?
because it is. When was the last time you said, I'm fine, but your brain was screaming?
Oh, wow. We're starting like that?
Yes, you know that moment. Deadline tomorrow, boss watching, teacher asking questions, family expecting something, and you smile like everything is calm.
Meanwhile, your heart is doing cardio.
Exactly. Let me guess. You say, no stress, but inside, full panic mode.
Yes! And suddenly you remember every mistake you've ever made, even from 2014.
Why does the brain do that? Under pressure, your brain opens a museum of failure.
Welcome to the Hall of Embarrassing Moments.
If you've ever felt your hands shaking, your mind going blank, your chest tight, when something important is happening, stay with us. Because today we're talking about how to stay calm under pressure. Not fake calm, real calm.
And don't worry, this is a B1 level conversation. If you're intermediate, perfect. If you're A2, relax and listen again later. Just stay with us.
Let's start simple. What is pressure?
Pressure is when something feels important, and you're scared of messing it up.
Yes, pressure appears when expectations are high, time is short, and consequences feel serious.
Exam, job interview, public speaking, family discussion.
Or even small things, replying to an important message, sending an email, posting something online. Under pressure, your body reacts fast. Heart beats faster, breathing changes, hands feel cold or sweaty.
That's because your brain thinks there is danger, even if the danger is just a meeting.
Your brain activates fight or flight. Fight means attack. Flight means run away. But in modern life, you can't run from a presentation.
Unless you fake a power cut.
Not recommended. Sometimes instead of fighting or running, we freeze. Mind goes blank. Words disappear.
Yes, you prepared for hours, and suddenly you forget your own name.
That's not weakness, that's biology. Your brain prioritizes survival, not performance. But here's the deeper truth. Pressure feels big because we attach meaning to it.
Meaning?
Yes, we tell ourselves stories. If I fail, I'm stupid. If I make a mistake, people will judge me. If this goes wrong, everything is ruined.
So the pressure is not only the situation, it's the story we tell about it.
Exactly. Your brain hears the story and reacts to that. Here's a simple tool. Ask yourself, what is the fact and what is the story?
Give an example.
Fact, I have a presentation tomorrow. Story, if I make one mistake, my career is over.
When you say it like that, the story sounds dramatic.
Yes, most pressure stories are dramatic. Your brain loves drama.
Okay, but what do we do in the moment? When heart is fast?
First, regulate the body. Slow breath. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6.
Longer exhale tells your body, we are safe.
You can't think clearly if your body feels attacked. Calm body first, then calm mind. Let's talk about social pressure.
Ah, yes, the famous, everyone is looking at me feeling.
Even when nobody is.
Under pressure socially, we fear judgment. We imagine people analyzing every word.
But here's the truth. Most people are busy thinking about themselves.
Yes, they're worried about their hair, their message, their performance, not yours.
When you're under pressure, your brain asks, what if I fail? Change it to, what if I learn?
That shifts the energy from threat to growth.
Okay, let's go deeper. Staying calm under pressure is not talent. It's a skill.
So you're saying calm people are not born calm?
Exactly. They trained their nervous system. They practiced small, calm moments again and again.
That makes sense, because when I panic, it feels automatic.
Yes, but automatic reactions can be retrained, just like muscles. Let's talk about resilience.
Resilience means bouncing back, right?
Yes, resilience means you don't avoid pressure. You handle it and recover faster.
So it's not about never feeling stressed. It's about not collapsing from it.
Exactly. Pressure is normal, but panic doesn't have to control you. Let's be honest. One big reason pressure feels heavy is fear of mistakes.
Yes, public mistakes feel dramatic.
But here's something powerful. Most people forget your mistakes faster than you do.
That's true. I remember my own mistakes for years, but I don't remember other people's.
Exactly. Your mistake is huge in your head, small in everyone else's. Let's make this simple. 3 steps when pressure rises.
Step 1. Pause the body. Slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw.
Step 2. Rename the story. Say quietly, "This is pressure, not danger."
Step 3. Take one small action. Not perfect action, small action. Say the first sentence. Open the document. Raise your hand slightly.
Small action breaks panic.
What about pressure from authority? Boss, teacher, parents.
That's powerful pressure, because it touches identity. You want approval.
Yes, you want to be seen as capable.
But here's the shift. You are not your performance. You are a person who is learning.
Separating identity from performance reduces pressure.
Exactly. You can fail at something without being a failure. Confidence is not the absence of pressure. It's acting while feeling it.
So calm people also feel nervous?
Of course. They just don't let nervousness drive.
Nervousness can sit in the car, but not drive.
Exactly. If you are under pressure right now, take one breath with us.
You are not in danger. You are growing.
Pressure often means something matters, but you don't need to suffer to succeed.
Calm is not weakness. It is control.
Let's slow down. Just you, your ears, and a few useful words.
1. Pressure. Pressure is stress from expectations or time.
2. Resilience. Resilience is the ability to recover from difficulty.
3. Freeze. Freeze means your body or mind stops under stress.
4. Regulate. Regulate means to control your emotional state.
5. Reframe. Reframe means changing how you see a situation.
6. Performance. Performance is how you act in a specific task.
7. Identity. Identity is how you see yourself as a person.
8. Mindset. Mindset is the way you think about situations. If this conversation helped you feel calmer, if you recognized yourself in these pressure moments, then don't just listen quietly. Subscribe to Mr. Zorian.
Because this channel is not just English practice, it's mental clarity practice.
Here's what you can do right now. 1. Tap subscribe. 2. Turn on notifications. 3. Comment one situation where you feel pressure. Presentation, interview, family expectations. Write it down. When you name pressure, it loses power.
And if this episode helped you, send it to someone who needs calm right now.
This is Mr. Zorian.
And this is Sophia.
Pressure will always exist, but panic doesn't have to. See you in the next episode.